to do a little video like this because there's a few of my friends and a few of people that I actually met that to which I told that I was doing meditation, and they were wondering why why, what is it, what does it do, what does that mean. And I've heard many things like no, I can't, I don't have time. Or I've heard like, oh, I'm too stressed out, I can't sit down 5 minutes just to like meditate, you know. Or like, what does it do? So that's why I decided to do that little video, and I hope it's going to be enlightening you on what meditation is. A little 101 meditation. I really hope you're going to enjoy it. From my heart to yours. In my book, I think it's a great gift. Don't hesitate to subscribe to my video, and don't hesitate to like my video and participate by giving me your comments just right below, right here. I would love to hear from you, your question. I would like to know if you're a new subscribers and I could welcome you personally. I love exchanging with everyone, and it's a candy to me. It's like a reward. It's what keeps me going. So I love you for it, and I would really appreciate it. So meditation is not a very obscure and complicated thing. It's basically very simple. I'm going to tell you how to do it, but first I want to give you just a little bit of an explanation first. Meditation is what allows me to stay grounded. Like you, like everyone, I have a lot going on, I have a lot in my mind, and I get overwhelmed, I get anxious, I get stressed out, I get worried. I have a whole bunch of emotion. Like everyone, I fight with my partner. Like everyone, I want my work to be successful. So we tend to put a lot on our plate, a lot on our shoulders. Meditation allows me to stay grounded, to diffuse that negative energy or stressful energy. It allows me to focus better, to concentrate better when I need. I know that when I meditate, I take better decisions, more enlightened decisions. I'm less influenced as well by external sources. What I know is good for my surroundings and my loved ones, it helps a lot. Also, you may not know this, but I'm also a burlesque performer, and I travel the world, and I do all kinds of like jet lags and new schedule, eating all over the place, sleeping odd hours. So meditation also allows me to regroup, go back to my inner self, focus, and I get tired, obviously, like everyone would. It gives me energy. Before going on the stage, it allows me to calm down, and when I step on that stage afterwards, I really feel like I'm 100% there, and I can give my best, and I have energy to give. I'm going to talk to you through this. You could close your eyes, or you don't have to close your eyes, it's really up to you. I would like you to focus on my voice and think about what I'm telling you, and try to apply what I'm telling you. It's fairly simple. You need to find a position in which you're comfortable, and that you know you're going to be able to stay like this for about 10 minutes, or 5 minutes, or 2 minutes, or 30 minutes, whatever you feel comfortable. There's no rules. The only golden rule is listen to your body. And I'm going to tell you how as we go along. So take that position. It's better to be seated, to have like the back straight. You don't have to be like super straight, but just like a relaxed position, a relaxed posture. We tend to put our hands on our knees. Sometimes it's simply because it allows the shoulder to relax, and it's just comfortable up or down depending. It's really up to you. When you put your hands down, it's when you're looking for grounding because you're a little stressed out. And if you put your palms up, usually it's because you want to receive a little bit more energy. So because for me it's the evening right now, and I want to be more on the chill side, I'm just gonna put my palms down. Now we're ready to start. You're in your position, you're comfortable. The first thing I would like you to do is just focus on your breathing. Just feel the ins and outs of your breathing. The air that's tickling your nostrils. Yes, you have thoughts. But once you've acknowledged them, let them go. It's okay. Let them go. And come back to your breathing. Come back to that travel inside your body of all the air that nourishes you. We're going to do a little exercise together. We're going to inhale 4, retain your breath 4, exhale 4, retain your breath 4. I'm going to do it with you. Inhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, exhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, inhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, exhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4. You can continue doing it as much as you want. And while you do it, you could also focus on your body. Your body is the one who's going to tell you when it's enough or if it wants more. Just listen to your body, tune in. And while all this is happening, you could observe little sensations in your body. The shoulders are relaxed and you feel heavy. They're falling because the little muscles are relaxing. Your forehead is relaxed. Eyes are closed, you feel your whole face is relaxed, the tensions in the jaw is released, and you're feeling the air coming in and out. slowly your entire body, your entire being is relaxed. You could do this for 5 minutes, you could do this for 10 minutes, you could do this for 2 minutes, or you could do it for 30 minutes. There's no rules. What helps me is when I know I have a busy day and I just want to do 10 minutes of relaxation, meditation, I put in my alarm like that for those 10 minutes. I know I'm golden. I don't have to worry about anything. I just have to focus on my breathing. Forget where I am. Focusing on the present, focusing on this moment that I'm giving to myself. My body, my mind is relaxed. Such a relief, such a relief. And slowly, slowly, I'm getting, again, I notice around me the little noise of the surrounding. I'm coming back to the moment. I can move my fingers, I can wiggle my toes. Start moving again. Moving my neck. If you feel like it, you can also give yourself a big stretch. Notice that you probably have little creaks and cracks going on in your body when you're stretching, but it feels good, your body's oxygenated, and you can open your eyes, you can yawn, and take a deep, deep, deep inhale. And then exhale completely. It's very simple, I know, but the reality is that it's really not more complicated than this. It's just a little moment for yourself. 5 minutes in the morning or in the evening or at lunchtime when you're really like, going crazy, lock yourself in the bathroom. The where you are is not important. You're gonna close your eyes anyway. I mean, you don't have to, but it doesn't matter where you are. Just take a moment, close the door, 5 minutes, and just focus on your breathing. Forget about everything. Naturally, you will have some thoughts. Naturally, you're gonna have to battle those thoughts, but instead of battling those thoughts, just acknowledge they exist, acknowledge they're there, and then say to yourself, yes, that's a thought, that's okay, I'm gonna let it go, and then I'm gonna focus on my breathing again. And you focus on your breathing, and you'll see the results. But like I said before, there's no rules, so do it at your own rhythm. Your body will tell you if it wants it, or if it wants more, or if it's okay, or just listen to yourselves. From my heart to yours, namaste. I really hope you enjoy. I love you guys. Please write comments, let me know if you have questions. I'd love to answer. And thank you for listening. Thank you for subscribing. Ciao, ciao.